Hello. Okay, this is, I believe, my kit. I should have started this after I cut it. With a broken hand, this is not easy to do. Let me just tell you. Ooh! What? Oh my gosh, you guys! It's so fun. I have to show you this. It looks like people in the office signed mine. Oh my God, that's awesome! I love it. That is so cool. So cool, you guys, so cool. All right, anybody else who wants to join this month, you're gonna get some super awesome stuff. And I'm so excited to get my welcome kit. I'm so excited. Cool, my bag, which I'm actually gonna utilize tonight because I'm going somewhere. And I'm not gonna leave it all at home. I'm just too excited. Oh, yay! Blackberry vanilla. Oh, that is absolutely, this one's blackberry spice. I got them confused. They both smell amazing. The blackberry spice is absolutely 1000% my favorite so far. Do you know, I've never even smelled this before. I joined on a whim. But cozy cardigan, yum. That smells good. And then, I should put my glasses back on. Luna. That's cool. I like that. It's like a very fresh scent. My husband's gonna be pissed because I'm making a mess. I don't care. Ooh, what's this? Ooh, it's a mini fan diffuser. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So cool. And oh, there's that scent, that Luna one goes with it. Oh my God, you guys, it comes with like a little USB thing. Okay, I'm gonna have to like investigate further when I get home because I'm going somewhere. I have to go to my in-laws tonight. Oh! Oh, bubbles. Oh, Candy Cane Lane, yum. Sleigh Ride, oh, no, 10 out of 10. This goes right up there with the one I said 10 out of 10. That was the Blackberry Spice, 10 out of 10 on that one. Cherry's Jubilee. Oh, okay guys, 10 out of 10 on the Cherry's Jubilee also. Rum Plum Plum. Oh, yeah. I'm gonna go with an 8 out of 10. Everybody's sniffer is different, but that for me is definitely Amazon Rain. I need to put it in the diffuser. I can't really smell it in this one, but that just might be my schnooter. Oh, okay. Vanilla Barnwood. I don't know what this is. Yes. Smells. Oh, yeah. 9 out of 10, you guys. So good. So good. So good. I think these are bags for my orders. And I'm going to have you guys at my house. Anybody wants to come for one of my live parties, I'm gonna do them here because I gotta have an excuse to drink some wassail, y'all. Okay. Oh yes. Johnny Appleseed for the car hanger. Look at that, you guys. Ah! I love that smell. Oops. My cats are freaking out. Okay. What are these little things? I think these might be, I'm gonna have to investigate further. I'm not sure what those are. But they're in such a cool box that everybody signed. I'm so jazzed. I'm not gonna lie, I've done a few businesses like this, you know, where you're at home, whatnot. Because you know I'm disabled, so I can't really work from out of the home. I have never gotten a box that's signed by people in the office. Love it. Love it. Okay, let's see what these are. These are something that I can't read because I don't have my glasses on. Oh, they're just different different scents. Nice. Okay, those are, okay, these are laundry things. I'm not really sure. Again, gonna have to investigate. Like I said, I'd never heard of Scentsy, but I wanted to join because I was sold from the first minute. And the fact that everybody signed that, that just jazzes me, you guys. I can't tell you. Okay, these are sniffing stickers, if I am not wrong. They are. Okay, I'm gonna put those in there. More bags. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's a counter clean. I'm excited to try this. I have 2 cats that wander the counters. And let me tell you, that's unsanitary. But I can't break them of it. It's hard. Oh, I know what this is. These are little samples. I can't wait to get every one of these out and sniff them. And you know what? I might do a live with that. I mean, this is already having to go on YouTube as it stands because it's such a long video. Cool. Cards. More postcards. Okay, these are Enliven Your Senses cards, and these are thank you cards. So I'm going to have to send some of those out because I've already gotten some orders. The Art of Fragrance. Okay, I'm not sure I can open this. Hold on. I don't know what this is, but I want to find out because you guys, I'm so excited about this. I really, really am. I've never done an unboxing before, and I can't open this with my hand, but it smells good. And these are what I actually opened the box for these tonight since I'm going somewhere. These are all of our products, and they're on like an 8 by 10, I think these are an 11.5 by 14 sheets, and they have all of our products, so I can send those out quickly. And this is our holiday collection, little flyers, order sheets, some more brochures here. I think these are product brochures, and now these came unboxed. Ooh, these are catalogs. Woohoo! I already ordered more because I know I'm going to need these to hand out to all my new friends in my new neighborhood. This, you guys, is a warmer. Now, I know my mom is too lazy to get on YouTube, but this is excellent. This is what she's getting for Christmas, is one of these. If I can make sure I buy one before I sell this one. Oh, yes. And then, let's see. What is this? Oh, yes. This is just a clear satin black warmer. Honestly, I think this could just go in anybody's house. So I've actually ordered another one of those so I can have one at my house. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't want to throw this box away. It's so cool. I think I'm going to keep it because, you know, I just moved in. I mean, even though I'm up to 8 minutes, look at all these boxes and junk all around my house that I haven't even unboxed yet. See, I just bought this from somebody else, used. It was my very first one. I don't even have a light bulb for it. Okay, guys, that was my unboxing. Thanks so much for hanging with me on Wicked Lisa's Scentsy products.